we'll guide you through how to use the Vercel Hobby Plan effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Vercel website. Once you're there, log into your account or sign up if you haven't already. After logging in, you'll be on your dashboard. Here, you can see any existing projects you might have. To create a new project, click on the New Project button. You'll need to connect a Git repository, so make sure your code is hosted on GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket. Choose the repository you want to deploy. Vercel will automatically detect the framework you're using and set up the appropriate build settings. If everything looks good, click Deploy. Vercel will then start the build and deploy process. You can see the logs in real time, which is super helpful for debugging if something goes wrong. Once the deployment is complete, you'll be provided with a live URL where your project is hosted. You can click on this URL to see your project live. The Hobby Plan allows for some great features like automatic HTTPS, custom domains, and serverless functions, so be sure to take advantage of those. Remember, the Hobby Plan is free but has some usage limits. You get 100 gigabytes of bandwidth and 1,000 serverless function executions per month. If you find you're hitting these limits, you might consider upgrading to a paid plan. Managing your projects is easy with Vercel's simple interface, and you can always check your usage stats under the Usage tab in your dashboard. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.